So training data is obviously you have your ML model, you need to train that model, then that data is known as training data. Okay, so the data from which your model get trained is training data. It is the largest chunk of data. Okay, so it is used to teach the model, simple as that. It is used to teach the model or train the model, and it also the model find patterns, correlation. Okay, so validation data. So validation data is like a mini test. So it is not purely testing data, but it's a mini test. It is used to tune hyperparameters. So what is hyperparameters? Hyperparameters is something that we use to tune in our model so that our model can perform better. So yeah, talking about validation data, it helps avoid overfitting. Okay, so what is overfitting? Overfitting is where a model memorizes training data instead of generalizing. But if you want it to work in all situation or in unknown situation, generalizing is mostly like for unknown situation, unknown problems also. Okay, so it is not used to train the model itself, only to evaluate how well different model configuration performs. So we need to test if our model actually works. So it will be an unseen by model. So this model doesn't know about these types, this data, test data. So it knows it is trained based on trained data, and it is optimized using validation data, but now it will be going into the test phase. In test phase, we will be giving it a very new unseen data, and our model will decide if this that if our model can predict, or if our model can perform well or not. Okay, so used to simulate how model would perform in real world.